made the cartoon video as my old style, but this time I have used the A4 sheet paper, and with the help of grid I am making the cartoon. So you will think why I am making the cartoon with the help of grid, because I don't want to show the normal cartoon character in the standing pose. I want to take it to the intermediate level. So what I have done, I have selected an image which of the cartoon with the vehicle in it, and the vehicle is of the two-wheeler, probably the scooter. So I thought why not to use the grid as to make the measurement and proportion according to that, and it will look good. So what I started with the headlight of, and then I started with the hand, and as according to the grid I have look at once, and according to that I have also done very much freehand. But the grid is that we can keep it all proportionate, and the vehicle does not look like it fallen. It's look like that it has been riding by this ragoon or this character. So you will be enjoying it, and as you can see I am not constantly looking at I am looking constantly at my pose, but not measuring the line or the measurement. But as you can see I am just making some of the adjustment, and as I will progress ahead you will see that how it will come out, and it is up to you that you might give some suggestion. It might be okay or it might not be okay, but do suggest that where I am going wrong, and if I am going wrong I will take that suggestion into that account and try to improve it. And I will also do the live, so please also join my live. And as I am putting in the random days, so but before me, as I am putting in the random day, but I appreciate all of your presence, that you, those who have come to my premiere. And as you can see I am just making out with the pose, and as you can see the pose is already started to looking good. At least it started to looking good to me, but see how further we can proceed it. And through some line drawings I think I am able to indicate what I am going to draw through it. And as you can see he is in the very relaxing pose. It's the kind of riding pose in the morning, so or in the evening after he has finished his work from the animation studio and going back to the home thoroughly enjoying and riding on the scooty. So here I am giving the kind of grip which I saw on the my reference picture. And as I don't know much about the scooty, but through the illustration which I kept ahead of my screen area, means the computer, I am drawing according to that. And see, it might look something weird, but it is like this only. And as you can see I am making much of the line work so that it probably look something to the realistic and even cartoony, as it is both. And now I am making the hand, And now with the help of that I will make some adjustment in the scooty and or the scooter, the two-wheeler. It will look good. Those who are till here, thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please do appreciate and comment. Thanks. See, this is the reference which I am making through it, and now it is up to you people to decide how you should take it. Thank you.